Good morning, everybody, and a happy Thursday morning to you. I think today is the 16th of May, 2013, and I was sitting here looking on the news, and they are saying that Jodi Arias' fate could be handed down to her as early as this evening. As you know, Jodi Arias was just found guilty of murdering her boyfriend, and she had said in an interview after that, well, in an interview before that, she had described certain things, and then she was talking, this before she went to trial, and she said, no jury will ever convict me. Those were her words. So while she was sitting in the courtroom and the jury had come back, she looked, a mite nervous. And then when they said, we find her guilty, she had sort of that trembling lip and a shocked look, like, she couldn't believe that they were finding her guilty. And I think that she kind of thought she was going to be the next Casey Anthony. And so, but, however, it is guilty. Now, the court has to decide, or the jury has to decide, rather, whether she will get life in prison or whether she will get the death penalty. And in Arizona, I think they said there are only 3 women on death row in Arizona. Jodi will make number 4. She said after the fact, after they found her guilty, that when it comes to her sentencing, she hopes for the death penalty because she would just want to get it over with and just go ahead and die. Well, this can be construed 2 ways. One, people's going to say, well, she wants the death penalty, so the jury should just give her life in prison. Just give her life in prison because she wants a death penalty too much. Or she's just saying that she wants a death penalty, thinking people's going to think like that, and that they'll give her life in prison, and then therefore she's got what she wanted. I say the death penalty. I do. For the way she killed him, Travis Alexander, I think she stabbed him 29 times and then shot him in the forehead. That is overkill. And like they said on the news yesterday too, and it was kind of funny because they said that the jury found that Jodi was cruel in the murder of Travis Alexander. Well, all murders are cruel. There is no kind murder. All murders are cruel and heinous. I think they should have worded it different. I think they should have said that Jodi overkilled Travis Alexander, and that would be the deciding thing in whether she lived or died. But I think that she should get the death penalty. I also believe that once you get the death penalty, what are they waiting on? I do believe you can appeal one time, just in case there's a small chance you might be innocent. But she's not innocent. We know this because she's already admitted that, yes, she did it. So, why be on death row for years and years and years? So what do you think? Do you think that Jodi Arias should receive the death penalty? Or do you think that she should just receive life in prison? And until next time, bye-bye.